Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jibikeodejimi. If this is your first time tuning into my channel, you're welcome to this channel, and if this is not your first time tuning into my channel, you're welcome back to this family, guys. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to be giving you guys an affordable hair tutorial for Christmas. You know, now they've been saying wala for uno wear bone straight, wala for uno wear bone straight. So guys, I'm going to be giving you guys an affordable bone straight hair. So guys, I'm going to be reviewing this product, this Darling Empress product. This is one of their latest products in the market, and this is their straight wave one, their Brazilian weave, and their Brazilian FU. This one comes in the straight type, and I'm going to be making a tutorial for this. So guys, this pack came in 3 bundles, and we have 18 inches and 20 inches, two 20 inches, sorry, and one 18 inches. So we have one short one and 2 long ones. And then this detangler spray came with the pack for the hair, so you can always spray this on the hair whenever you think it's already running out or something. So guys, I'm going to be moving straight into the tutorial for this video, so keep calm and watch, guys. So guys, before I start making this wig, I'm going to measure this wig for you guys to actually know the length in which the hair came in. So I'm going to be checking the first one, which is the 18 inches. So guys, as you can see, it is actually 18 inches. The hair is actually 18 inches, and the other ones are 20 inches, guys. So when you want to make your hair, you can also decide to check, even if it is not going to be this weave, whichever weave you're going to use, you could just check to know if it is the actual inch that is there or not. And then I got this closure in the market because this hair does not come with a closure, and I didn't really know what to use in front, so I decided to get this closure, just a 1-part closure, and I got it for 2.5. And guys, this hair, as I told you, it is very affordable. I got this hair for 3,000 naira. And the closure for 2.5, that's just 5,500 naira. And you can see the closure matches well with the hair. Like, it looks like they literally came together. So guys, this tutorial is just something that is not going to cost you more than 6,000 naira. Let's even imagine you are going to buy maybe your thread, your needle, and your wig cap. So guys, I'm going to be using this wig cap that looks like a net. Then I'm just going to hook it at the back for it to just be more firm and secured. Now I'm going to start with my closure. I'm going to make my closure first. I'm going to sew my closure on my wig cap first before I make the other tutorials for the remaining hair. So guys, watch the way I'm going to do this. So guys, just after I finish installing my closure, I'm going to start with installing the hair, and I started with the one of the 20 inches because I want it to look longer. And then this is the way I sew it. After inserting it, I try to make it very tight by putting the needle back into the thread, just to give it this the firmness I need. And then I'm just going to continue to do that till I get to the end of this video. So guys, now I'm done with making of the hair. I'm just going to comb my closure over the hair and then apply a little bit of hair mousse to just make the frontal and the closure slip down a bit. If you don't have hair mousse, you can just decide to apply your hair wax on the frontal on the closure, just to give it that firm look, that shiny look, and comb it down. So guys, once I'm done with combing now, I'm just going to remove the wig and then cut out the net that came with the cap, so I can have just my closure there in front. So guys, once you are done with this, you can just decide to tongue out your hair. I would have loved to tongue out my hair, but I don't have a tonguing machine here, but I'll try to get one and make and try to tongue the hair for you guys to see, and I'm going to upload the picture on my Instagram page. So if you are not following me yet on Instagram, guys, rush down to Instagram and then follow my Instagram page so you can see that once I'm done. So guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you want me to do another hair tutorial before Christmas. If you want me to do another affordable hair tutorial before Christmas, let me know in the comment section below, guys. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, guys, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification posts to get a notification when I upload my next video. Thanks guys, I love you.